Bonjour et bienvenue. Ni hao and huanying. Cześć i witamy. Hallo und willkommen. Ciao e benvenuti. Wells Cathedral, 900 years of stone and sky. High above the Somerset countryside, Wells Cathedral rises from the earth, a masterpiece frozen in stone for over 800 years. Long before this building stood, a Saxon church marked this ground in 705 AD, fed by ancient wells that gave the city its name. By 909, Wells had become a seat of the church, and centuries later, in 1175, construction began on the Gothic cathedral as we see it today. Inside, though our drone stays outside, lies one of the history's boldest engineering solutions, the Scissor arches, built in the 1300s to save the tower from collapse. As we glide towards the west front, nearly 300 medieval statues emerge, one of the greatest collections of sculptures in Europe, completed by 1239. This wasn't just architecture, it was a message in stone, visible for miles. Nearby, the octagonal chapter house has welcomed clergy since 1306, its stone steps worn smooth by 7 centuries of footsteps. Vicar's Close beside Wells Cathedral is a beautifully preserved medieval street, often called Priest's Row. Built in the 14th century for the Vicar's Choral, it is considered the oldest complete residential street in Europe. Its stone houses, tall chimneys and gentle taper create a striking perspective. Linked to the cathedral by the Chaingate Bridge, it remains a peaceful, lived-in community where the choir members still reside, blending history with everyday life. High on the transept wall ticks something remarkable, one of the oldest working astronomical clocks on Earth, still marking time as it has done since 1390. Wells has weathered Reformation, Civil War and the passage of nearly a millennium. Armies stabled horses here, storms battered its towers, yet it still stands. The sun, as it often does on clear days, it catches its spires. Remember, this is more than a building, it's a living witness to 1,000 years of faith, craft and endurance. As the light fades over Somerset, Wells Cathedral remains, unmoved by time, untouched by the centuries that have passed beneath its towers, from Saxon foundations to Gothic spires, from medieval masons to modern skies. It endures as one of England's greatest treasures.
Please like, subscribe and share to this channel, and click the bell to get notifications of new content.